Welcome to this video. We'll be adding our login with Google button in our login page. So I'll go ahead and close the server directory and open the client directory and click my login page. So basically I'll be doing the Google button below don't have an account, sign up. So I'll create a button element and I put it login with Google. Mind you, Google has their own design specification, the CSS styling. So whenever you want to publish your app, you have to confirm to those stylings for it to get published. So once that's done, I'll import my user effect hook. This allows me to create functions that will be run on page load. Then I'll go and create a state variable, const Google OAuth URL. Set Google OAuth URL equals to use state. Set an empty string. Then I create a use effect hook. So in this, my use effect const load OAuth equals to async. Then I open my curly braces, hit enter. Then I do a try and catch, curly braces, hit enter. Then in my try block, I'll basically create another variable const response equals to await axios.get. In brackets, I put the slug /alt/google/URL. Then const URL structured one equals to response.data. Then I'll come below and set Google OAuth URL to the URL we just created. And in my catch block, I'll create an error variable argument and pass it console log.error if there's any error. Hopefully, we will not see an error. Then I come outside the function and call it load OAuth URL. I'm going to leave the dependencies empty. Then I come back to my button. I set disabled. Disabled equals to if not Google URL. If there is not Google URL, it should be disabled. Then the value will now be, no, we don't need value here. I'll do on click will be a function. Then window.location.href equals to Google Auth URL. Like I said earlier, I used tab 9 plugin in this, my version of VS Code. So it helps me to autocomplete. So I'm having an error. Import error use effect. Oh no, it's not supposed to be from React outer down. And move it to from React, and you see the error has cleared. So we'll come here and see our button is being created. If we click the login button, you see the Google consent screen has been popped up.